Hi guys, so I'm going to make a fruit salad guys for our dessert tomorrow. Okay, here it is. So there it is guys. I have the fruit mix and the sweetened condensed milk, and I just use Nestle Light. And then I have banana, I have the fruit mix guys, these two, and I just want to add the blueberry, and there's pineapple there. And then there's my apple. So I'm just gonna mix everything and then refrigerate it ready for tomorrow. Okay guys, so I'm just going to add the fruit mix. And then, okay, the pineapple guys. And then the banana. Oh, I almost dropped it. The banana. And then the apples. Red apples. And then I'm just gonna add the blueberry because it's a good fruit. I'm gonna mix it. Okay, then after guys, I'm just gonna add the sweetened condensed milk, and this is my leftover when I make the avocado dessert. Okay guys, I added the sweetened condensed milk, and the next one I'm gonna add is the cream light, the Crema Light. So Nestle. Okay. Okay guys, here's the fruit salad, and I'm just gonna refrigerate this. It's ready for dessert tomorrow because it's Saturday guys, and it's my husband's day off and my mom's day off. So instead of eating ice cream, we're just gonna, like try to do some homemade desserts. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Until my next video. Hi guys. So I'm just gonna add this one guys, a drained nata de coco. It's a coconut shell in syrup. So I just use half of this. Okay guys.